Hello children, hope you are doing good in this condition. It has been long time that we are at home, significantly long time that we are at home, and you people are not able to go out, not attending school, you are not able to play with your friends, so completely stuck at home. So it's really a difficult time for you people, for all of us, but especially for you who are most of the time used to be very active and outgoing. So there are many things which are happening nowadays around us and around your life as well. So, first thing, what is happening around you, that is, you are stuck inside the home and your entire day is getting some way disturbed. Entire timetable, routine, daily activities are getting disturbed. So, you must be finding it difficult to manage it because school time, play time, sports, other activities has got its own time, and nowadays you don't have to attend all these. So it is very common and usual, and all of us are suffering from this, that our daily living activities, daily tasks, daily chores are getting disturbed. So to manage that, what you need to do is you need to plan your day, plan your week, and throughout the day, what time you will study, what time you will play, what time you will do some creative activities, you just plan beforehand. So if you plan, you will see that you will be able to do it in a better way. If not completely, but I'm sure you will be able to do it in a better way. And you nowadays you are studying over phone, over online classes and all is taking place nowadays. So that also maybe is a difficulty for you, because so far you people were used to with the phone, of course, but for entertainment purpose. You used to do lot of you used to participate in conversations, you used to play games, and you used to socialize through social networking or any other media, but you did not use it for the learning purpose except projects and other worksheet kind of activities. So now you have to focus more on the study material, on your online materials, and which is mostly coming through phone or through laptop or desktop computers. So you may be having some difficulty to manage these new way of learning, new way of studying. What you need to do is you need to again plan your study time properly, make a fixed time for study, a fixed time for play and any other activities. Study time, sit with your books, I mean, of course, in front of a laptop or computer or in front of your phone, whatever means you are studying. Sit with the books and open the book over there, and try to concentrate, try to understand what is being written there. Initially, you may have difficulty in concentrating those materials because it is a different media, different mode of study. So you have to put little bit more effort what you used to put it in books. So it's matter of practice, and if you get used to with it, you will be able to concentrate well, like books also. So sit with your books, try to understand line by line thoroughly, even between the lines, and try to remember or recapitulate what you were studying. And after that, what you are having is much difficulty. I know that you are finding it difficult when to stop your studying, when to start your socializing or using this phone otherwise. I was talking about it is you people were used to with entertainment device, your phone and laptop, etc. So here also you have to make a proper balance, that it is not only an entertainment device, it is a study guide, study material, study tool, as well as entertainment device. So in between studies, please do not get distracted with the other messages, other informations, other entertainment thing which is coming over phone or over your laptop or desktop. So concentrate, place some specific time, give some specific time for your social networking, entertainment, and any other activities which you are doing over phone or your laptop, and focus specifically on your study when you are studying over these devices. Apart from this, you may be having some difficulty with your parents in terms of fights and fights and fights, because throughout the day you are at home and parents are also at home, so they are distressed, you people are also distressed because of this, so it can cause frequent fights. Make sure you are spending some time with your parents for play and any other activities, not only for study or very working thing. So whenever you are spending some time with your parents, try to make it quality time, like playing board games, playing any other games. Even snake ladder is fine if you are playing, if you are spending some time. So try to make your time as quality, as enriched with quality as possible. I'm sure you will be able to do it in a pretty better way. Thank you so much.